What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the best places to learn Python in 2025. Now, if you're watching this, you most likely know what Python is and you're trying to learn it. And that's a fantastic thing because I've been using Python for about 6 or 7 years and I've used so many different platforms to really practice and hone in my skills in using Python. So today I'm going to show you some of the best places that you can learn Python in the entire world. So without further ado, let's jump on my screen and take a look.
All right, so we're going to get started with a classic here, and this is one that almost everybody has seen or heard of in some way. As you can tell just by this little area up here, they cover a ton of stuff. And Python is one that they cover quite in depth, and I really like it myself. I, in fact, use this is W3 School, by the way. I, in fact, used this when I was first learning Python. And so I want to share this with you guys because I really think it is a great place to learn. Now, it really is kind of just simpler little tutorials here and there. But what I really like is they have these little quizzes that you can do to make sure you kind of know what you're doing. And if you do this, try it yourself when you're learning, you can actually go and you can run the code yourself and you can get the output that you are actually running. So right over here. Now, as you can tell, it goes into a ton of different stuff, including file handling, different Python modules like NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, and Django. And it covers things like Matplotlib and even goes into machine learning and other things like that. So it covers a ton of different stuff. And I personally learned a lot through this website. So I want to give them a huge shout out, and they're going to be our first one that I recommend. The next resource that I recommend is actually over on Coursera. This is Python for Everybody Specialization by Chuck. Now, this guy is just an absolute legend in the Python space because he has literally taught millions of people Python, and I myself took this exact course. Now, this is over on Coursera, and you can get access to this, and it covers a ton of different stuff. You're going to see the programming for everybody, Python data structures, using Python to access web data, so web scraping, using databases with Python, and then there's an entire project. Now, this is a paid course on Coursera. If you don't want to pay for it, I'm about to blow your mind. It is over on YouTube. This is Python for Everybody, full university Python course. This is the 13-hour course. It isn't the entire thing, but it is the vast majority of it, and it's 13 hours long, and it covers so much stuff. And I personally, again, cannot recommend Chuck enough. He is just fantastic. He has a great way of explaining things. So I highly, highly, highly recommend taking this. I'll have links to all this stuff in the description, by the way. This is freecodecamp.org. You can either get it here or you can pay for it. And it has a little bit more stuff on Coursera, but the free one does cover most of it. The next one to check out is on Kaggle. Now, Kaggle has this whole learn little section in here, and it covers a ton of different stuff like machine learning, analytics, computer vision, SQL, Python. It covers a lot of great stuff. But if we come over here, you can see that it has a whole intro to programming for Python, and you can come in here and learn some of the basics. They also have an entire module on Pandas, which if you don't know Pandas is really great for working with data and data frames and being able to manipulate and work with it. It says 8% complete, but that's because I'm on just a random account. On my real account, I've completed all these. These are all really great resources. And then this last one I'm going to show you is a data cleaning one. So within Python, it tells you how you can actually come in and clean this data. Let's go into handling missing values. It's going to walk you through, and it's going to show you the code, and it's going to kind of walk you through these different scenarios using real data. And so I really like this kind of format because this is very much how I've used Pandas in my real work. And they have a really good description of how to do it. The only thing they don't have is videos. They don't have any videos on here. It's purely just text. So if that's how you learn, this is a fantastic place to learn. The last place I'm going to recommend going, and this is a shameless plug for myself, but I genuinely believe is a fantastic place to not only learn Python, but also practice Python, which is my platform, Analyst Builder. Analyst Builder is just super fun. And if you want to kind of come in here, you can practice Python on these different questions. And you can practice for maybe technical interviews, or you just want to learn it better and have fun. I also have full courses right over here. So if you come and you can see I have my Python programming for beginners, as well as my Pandas for data analysis. Or if you have an interview in Python, I have a Python interview crash course. These courses are fantastic. I made them myself. They have tons of projects in them. And after you take them, you are going to feel extremely confident in working with Python. So I will have a link to every single resource in the description. So you can go and click on those and check them out. Some of these are free, some of them are paid, but they're all fantastic resources. And I really do hope you check them out. With that being said, I hope that this was helpful. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.